Alright, I'm going to show you how to set up the bare butt hammock. This is the Kodiak Straps that I bought with it also. I got them off Amazon pretty cheap. So I'll show you how to set this up. You got your tree huggers here. Just wrap them around. Wrap them around your tree or your pole or whatever. Pull them through. Just like this. Make sure they're nice and tight and up where you need them. It's about there. So I'm going to set up my other one. Where'd it go? Right here. I'm going to set it up over here. Same thing. Do it around the tree so it doesn't hurt the bark. Pull it through. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and tug. Snuggy tug, just like that. And I'm going to show you my hammock here. I got the grandma, which I like it, not just because it's the grandma, it's because it's got trans colors also. So I'm going to show you how I set it up. It comes right out of the bag, out of its own pocket. It comes with carabiners, bare butt carabiners. You're just going to latch it through one of the little holes right here, the little slits, and then you're going to pull it. It comes out real easy, just like that. Make sure it comes out of the pocket. And it will fold down perfect. Grab your strap and hook it up. Let's see, I want to do mine a little lower. And that's it. You just open it up. And there's your hammock.